All right, we've got some new rhythms this week, and we're actually going to utilize some rest cymbals. So we're going to purposely mute some stuff this time around. I've noticed that when giving this, we're kind of building up to something here. It's mainly for number 2. So number 1 here is to help get a grasp of what number 2 is going to be. It's proven to be a very difficult rhythm for most people. So I want to see how it goes if we use some rest cymbal stuff, see if it actually helps you feel what's being played and when it's supposed to be played, and like when the foot's tapping and stuff like that. So number 1 here, you got this rhythm that's done twice basically, but the first time you have these 8th note rests, some of it's quarter note rest. These little rest cymbals here. So basically, as soon as you've hit the chord, you're going to keep things quiet. And then we run through the same chord progression again, but instead of doing the rest cymbals, we just let things ring out. So let's demonstrate this. So as far as like counting it, like 1 and 3, 4, 1 and 3, 4. So that's going to be what the rhythm is. For the muting stuff, basically, you got to do, in case you don't know about these kinds of things, because we haven't really worked, or I don't think we worked on it at all. So for the muting, basically, after you strum, you need to cover all the strings with your right hand and release pressure with the fretting hand as well. So this kind of thing. So this way everything goes silent. Now you could just put your right hand down, and sometimes that's enough. But every now and then when you got like a lot of distortion, you could run into an issue of it being like more of a kind of that. So if you do it up here, you got less of a chance of an accidental palm mute situation. But that's also why I recommend just take the pressure off the fretting hand as well. So it's like you got to put the right hand down at the same time you take pressure off the left. Now I'm not letting go all the way. I guess you could, but that's a lot of extra work. So just keep your fingers close. Just still make contact with the strings, but then push. Yeah, just make contact with the strings, but without actually fretting. Just gently touching there. Hope that makes sense. All right, so yeah, first time through we do the muting. Second time through we don't do the muting. Make sure you're tapping that foot so this way you can lock into what the pattern is. So here we go. 1 and 3, 4. 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 Done. 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go 160. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's try 200. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Missed the dang string. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Number 2. So similar idea. We're just taking it, or we're adding one extra strum. And the reason why I did it the other way is I feel like ending on beat number 4 will, it just helps get this kind of rhythm down a little bit easier. Because now what we're going to do is have an additional strum right after beat number 4. So really similar. Still doing going to do the rest cymbals here. But now we're going to do this one more additional strum right after beat number 4. So basically, you just got like a group of 3, just a 1, 2, 3, and then a pause, 1, 2, 3, pause, 1, 2, 3, and a pause. So kind of an odd grouping of notes, but yeah, same idea is number 1. First half we got the muting, the rest cymbals. Second half, almost the same progression. No, it is the same progression. I'm mistaking it for number 3. Same progression, just without the muting. All right, 1, 1 and 3, 4 and 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 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. 160. 1, 2, 3, 4. And skip 200 to go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Start again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Whew. Okay, number 3. Let's keep doing the mutant thing. I like the idea. So here, yeah, same kind of thing. Got the muting. See if that helps you feel the rhythm better. And then second half, we don't do any of the muting. Second half, the chord progression changes a little bit just at the end. They have some inverted power chords, so inverted 5th chords there. So be careful of that. Remember, when we do an inverted power chord, we don't want to use your ring finger. We want to use the pinky. So this way you can go between a regular power chord and the inverted power chord more easily. And this rhythm is going to be tying into another polyrhythm we're going to work on. So we really want to focus on just getting a good feel for how this goes, because eventually we're going to start taking out all those upstrokes, and then it's got a weird feel to it. So getting this rhythm down is something I find helpful for what we're going to be doing, because I think about the feel of this kind of rhythm when we go into the polyrhythm thing that we're going to do. All right, here we go. I have the wrong thing selected. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 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 60. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's get 200 to go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Man, doing the mutes, the eighth note rest there at this speed, that's a pain in the butt. So again, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Missed the game of stroke. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, and that is that. So, any questions come up, let me know. I'll see you again in your new videos.